Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 of the best stocks to buy right now for blockchain and crypto. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. We just dropped a whole bunch of merch, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. So starting off with stock number 1. Stock number 1 is ticker symbol SI, also known as Silvergate Capital. Now this company actually makes money by sending money to other people. You can send money to others for pennies instead of paying, like a Western Union, like $40 or $50 to send money. You can send money for pennies, and that's kind of Bitcoin's whole deal. Is you can send money and you don't have to worry about centralized banking. You can just send money and not even have to worry about it. And you guys can see the growth of this. The stock's gone from about $14 all the way up to about $239. It's sold off down to about $100 right now, and the average analyst price target for this is $140. So meaning, if that just say we're completely wrong about the stock hitting all-time highs, if that just say it hits that $140 price, we're still looking at a return of about 20%, doubling what the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, all of them do. Personally, I think we are just getting started with companies like this that are going to integrate and grow with the overall growth of blockchain. So guys, that's stock number 1. Moving on to stock number 2. Stock number 2 is one of my personal favorites. It's ticker symbol Nvda, also known as Nvidia. Now, for those of you that don't know, Nvidia makes computer parts and pretty much supercomputers, and that's what you need to operate blockchain and crypto, right? You have crypto mining, you have blockchain integration, and that's kind of what we saw is as the growth of the blockchain, the growth of crypto, companies like Nvidia took the market by storm. The stock pretty much has gone from lows here at $32 all the way up to $346. Now it's sold off to about $191. And look at this. You guys are going to be getting getting a dividend of 4 cents a quarter, and the earnings are blowing expectations, up. They brought in about $8.2 billion, beating expectations by about $171 million. And the average analyst price target for this one is $220. Very, very similar to the other one. This one here, if that just say we're wrong about this thing hitting highs again, and it just comes in contact, with that price target, we're still looking at a return right now of about 15%, which is pretty good, right? That's pretty good. But I think we're going to see a ton of growth for this one over the next, 5-10 years, and you're going to be getting some dividends to start compounding your account and getting some of that passive income rolling in. Now, stock number 3 is another one that I have bought. It's ticker symbol SQ. Now, SQ is also known as Square, also known as Block. Now, you guys will notice that this one here is a little more volatile, right? It does go up and down at a little bit more of a rapid rate. And the reason why we saw a lot of sell-off is because of some earnings that came out, right? I think right now, just in general, we've seen a lot more shakier earnings lately. But the thing about it is this company is heavily invested in the blockchain, cryptocurrency. They have a Bitcoin wallet. They pretty much work with Bitcoin miners. The average price target for this is actually rated about $90. So not as much growth on this one, but we've seen this thing take off and hit almost $300 a share. So guys, this is going to be more of the higher risk, higher reward plays, but the company is still heavily invested into what we want to see here. Stock number 4 here is one that I've currently been buying. It's ticker symbol PYPL, also known as PayPal. We all know PayPal, and we've seen a lot of growth from them over the past couple of years, but looking at this, you'll notice very similar to Square, we've just seen some more shakier earnings where the stock has, popped up and then it sold off, popped up, sold off. So this one here, I think it all comes down to, growth, right? I think that PayPal is heavily invested into cryptocurrency, blockchain, and the reason why I think they stand out is because they are making their own stable coin, which is really, really interesting, meaning you can buy a PayPal coin, purchase things with that coin. I think that's really, really cool. The average price target for this is $135 a share. So there's still a lot of growth out of it, but this is going to come. with a little more volatility, meaning the stock could go up and down at a little bit more of a rapid rate. So this one here, super, super cool, super awesome. Now the last and final one here, it's ticker symbol ACN. Now, this one here is what they do is they bring blockchain to businesses. And I think that's what we want, right? We want a company that's working with other companies to see how they can integrate blockchain, cloud services all into, what they do. I think that's a really cool thing. On top of that, the average price target for this one, $365 a share. So we are still looking at a fantastic return of right at about 30%. I think that this one here carries a ton of potential. You're going to be getting dividend of 97 cents. You're going to be getting solid earnings. Company bringing in $16.1 billion, right? Heavy money behind it. Company is growing. Not as much volatility from this one. Yes, we saw sell off. This is just because of the general market selling off, right? The S&P 500 down 25%. Growth stocks like this one, they're going to be a little more volatile than, other companies like Apple or, Microsoft, companies like that. Companies that really work with blockchain and all that stuff is going to be hit a little harder, especially due to the Bitcoin prices falling, guys. So that is it. The top 5 blockchain and cryptocurrency stocks to buy right now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.